Hello, welcome to a new video. So today I'm going to show you a completely new Medieval 2 glitch. Well, I have never seen it before, neither on YouTube or for myself. So let's get on to the glitch. Okay, so we are back here. This was on my England campaign on Crusade Cairo. So I wanted to land here to refresh my Crusader troops. So I did that. So then I moved onto the boat and moved as far as I could. And then I decided, I should move them out. And then I just realized I found a new exploit. So, yeah. And I knew that there's another boat movement glitch, but this is another way to activate it. And, yeah. I don't really know how this works, but it's also unlimited. So, yeah. I'm going to show it again, just to get another look at it. Okay, so I am back here. So the first thing, I select the boat, move them as far as I could get them on land. Why isn't them moving? This is off the commentary, by the way. So, refresh the Crusade. Get them back on the boat. And move them as far as I could. And then just get them off the boat. Well, yeah, it's, I don't really know yet, but I'm probably going to do some research, so it might be coming an upcoming clip. Goodbye.